Class is a template or blueprint that contains methods and properties. So let's have an example, real example. That one person, that person should have some personal information like name, age, date of birth, gender. these personal information these personal information is called properties. And this person should have behavior like he can run, he can sing, he can dance, or he can swim. And these behavior is called method or functions. So this person should have the personal information and behavior. The personal information is called properties and behavior is called method. And this person, if this person has the personal information and behavior, that is called class. The class contains of properties and methods.